Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Zach and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at
how to do the homework based on the lesson in the last video. Okay, so in the last video we have learned about demonstrative pronoun. This refer to singular unit, singular object, like this one. Example, this is an apple. Next one we have that is an apple. That refers to an object far away from us. This refer to an object near to us. Okay, then we have, or more than one, when it's near to us we call them these. These are apples. And then when there are many things and they are far away from us, we call it as those. Those are apples. Okay, so that's the recap of last week lesson, last video. So today we are going to do some EX. Okay, so for number 2, choose the correct words. Number 1, these or those cousins are in Australia now. Okay, now look at the object. Okay, so the object here is cousins. Is it singular or plural? Yes, it's plural. More than one. Why? Because we have the letter S. So if it has the letter S, the answer are which one? These or those? Yes, both these and those are for plural. So we still haven't got the answer. So how do we find the answer? Look at the other subject. Australia. Australia, is it near to us or far from us? Can we see it? Yes, we cannot see where is Australia now, right in front of us, unless you're using Google Earth or you are using what do you call that, Google Meet, Skype, or video call. So if there are more than one and it's far from us, which one do we use? Is it this or those? Yes, the answer are those cousins are in Australia now. Okay, next. Number 2, is this or is those your pen under the teacher's chair? Okay, the easiest way to look at this is, look at the first one, is. Is refer to one person or one thing. So look at the subject or the object here. Your pen. How many pen? One pen. So the answer should be, is this your pen under the teacher's chair? Okay, for number 3, this or this present is nice. Look at the subject, present. There are only one present without S, so the answer should be this. This present is nice. Okay, the next one. This or that is Maria's dad, Bill. Okay, so Maria's dad, there's only one person. Bill is his name. So if there's only one, we use that. That is Maria's dad, Bill. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, look again at the text and exercise 2 on page 8. Complete the table. So here are table. There are 5 things that you need to answer here. You can look here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and lastly number 5. Okay, so how do we find the answer? We need to look at these 1, 2, and 3. These 3 things, 3 texts that we have learned in the last video. Okay, So if you look at the video, you can see here, number 1 got a mobile or a pet. So we see the answer here. I've got a money, a pen, my ID card, and my mobile phone. So that's one mobile. I've got books, 1 or 2 old video game, and knee speakers. Blah blah blah. Okay, number 2, he doesn't have a what do you call it? Mobile. Okay, next one. I've got my books for school, my mobile, and I've got this present for my dad. Okay, so if you see here, number 1, mobile, there's a mobile there, right? So the answer should be they, circle the they have got a mobile. Why have? Because number 1 have a mobile and number 3 have mobile, although number 2 doesn't have a mobile. Okay, look at the second one. Okay, number 2, the second one, you can see here, we haven't got a pet. So the second one, there's only one person talking in the second picture, although they say we haven't got, but there's only one Ben. So the answer for number 2 should be Ben hasn't got a mobile, because out of the 3 people, only Ben doesn't have mobile. So for number 1 just now, the answer is they have got a mobile. Affirmative means something that is confirmed. Negative, something they don't have. He hasn't got a mobile, and they, all 3 of them, haven't got a pet. And for number 3, you can see from number 1, 2, and 3, all of them didn't have a pet, right? So you can say here, they haven't got a pet. Okay, for number 4, we can see here, have they got a mobile? Why have they got a mobile? Because it's a question, so we can make a question, have they got a mobile? Why have? Because there are more than one. So for number 4, the question for the first one, have they got a mobile? And then the answer is the number 5. Yes, they have, or no, they haven't. For number 4, the second one here, you can see here, number 4, has he got a pet? This one refers to Ben, the second one. So has he, who is he? Ben. Has he got a pet? You can look at down here, the answer, yes he has, or no he hasn't. Okay, I hope you understand the explanation. Let's move on to the next lesson. We also learn about this one, has, have, got, affirmative, negative, and then we learn about this one, how to answer question and short answer. And okay, now we are going to listen to a dialogue. So complete the dialogue with the correct forms of have got. There are 4 forms: have got, has got, haven't got, hasn't got. Okay, afterward, listen and check your answer. Okay, let us start. Are you ready?
It's Father's Day tomorrow. Have you got a present for Dad?
Yes, I have. I've got this book about cooking.
Oh, that's nice. I haven't got a present.
No? That's okay. We've got an hour in town. Has Dad got a good pen?
Yes, he has.
Okay, I've got an idea. Look, these mobile phone covers aren't very expensive.
Dad hasn't got a mobile cover.
They've got really nice ones in this shop.
Thanks, Maria. That's a really good idea.
Okay, so you have listened to the conversation. So now let us check the answer.
It's Father's Day tomorrow. Have you got a present for Dad?
Yes, I have. I've got this book about cooking.
Oh, that's nice. I haven't got a present.
No? That's okay. We've got an hour in town. Has Dad got a good pen?
Yes, he has.
OK. I've got an idea. Look, these mobile phone covers aren't very expensive.
Dad hasn't got a mobile cover.
They've got really nice ones in this shop.
Thanks, Maria. That's a really good idea.
Have you got all the answer correct? Okay, now let's move on to the next one. For number 5, this one say work in pairs, but because you cannot go to school, never mind. What you should do is read like this one. A. Have you got a present for who? B. No, I haven't. Okay, that one, let us say that one is number 1. Number 1, A. A is question, okay? Have you got a present for who? For Dad, for your friend, for anyone. Just write anyone's name there. And then the answer can be no, I haven't. And then number 2, has he or she got a what? Or what? An object. You can see the object here, maybe a bag, a CD, a pen, a toy car, a parrot pet, or a skateboard. Then you can answer yes, he or she has, or no, he or she hasn't. And then number 3, look, they've got really nice one in the shop. Thanks, that's a really good idea. So this one, what I want you to do is, I want you to write in your EX. Write down the conversation. Have you got a present for who? It can be a boy or a girl. And then you say, no, I haven't. The answer is no, I haven't, okay? Not yes, cannot. Because you want to buy a present for your friend. Okay, next. If your friend is a boy, you say, has he got what? A pen, maybe. Or if your friend is a girl, you say, has she got what? Has she got a bag? Then if they have, then the answer is yes, he has. Then if you answer yes, he has, then you have to write another one. Has he got a film? And then if you say no, he or she hasn't, then you can just go to the last one. Look, they've got a really nice one in the shop. Thanks, that's a really good idea.
I hope you understand it. So please do all your work in your EX and send it to me in the link I've given to you. Okay, don't forget to sign your attendance for today and see you in the next video today. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.